Welcome. In front of me is a MateBook D15, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So if you're planning to do this, there's two different ways of doing it. Either by keeping your files, so if you have some kind of like music, photos, stuff like that, you have the option to keep it, or if you want to remove it, well, then you can as well. Now, if you're planning to remove everything from your computer, including your personal files, I probably would recommend you to back them up somewhere, otherwise you will just permanently lose them. Now anyway, to get started, you can navigate into our start button right here and navigate then to the settings. And in here we're gonna go into update and security and select recovery. And right here, right at the top, you have reset this PC. It gives you an information if your PC isn't running well. Restart might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files, like I mentioned before, or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. So obviously, the choice is yours right here. Once we click this, we will have the option to either keep them or remove them. So let's select Get Started. And there is the pop-up, so keep my files or remove everything. I'm gonna go with the remove everything because resetting your computer kind of means, in my opinion, nothing if you're keeping the files. If you have some kind of problem like viruses, it might be associated with some of the file that the computer will keep, so it basically does nothing in this case. So I'm gonna go with remove everything. And now this will take some time, so just be patient, honestly. It might take something up to like a half an hour, but I'm doing this on at least this machine first time. So to be perfectly honest, I have no idea how long this will take once I begin. So how would you like to reinstall Windows? We have cloud download, all local install. Install Windows from the device. I believe every Windows computer that you buy with Windows does have it locally, so I'm gonna go with this one. It will be, I think, a little bit quicker. What do we have? Remove apps and files. Do not clear the drive. Delete all files. See. Clear data. Yes. Delete files from all drives. Sure. Download Windows. And there we go. So as you've seen, I just kind of went with everything, just a full fresh install of Windows and basically every aspect you can. So now I'm gonna confirm this. Additional settings, so we have current settings, that's what I have right now. Okay, that basically shows nothing. Okay, well let's go. So when you're doing this through settings, because there's also a option to recovery mode, it's gonna start processing it right now, and then it's gonna restart the device and continue it from there. So ready to restart this PC. Restart. As you can see, it gives us the download status, and then once it's finished, it should progress. So, kind of finishing this up. This is primarily going to be from here almost all autopilot till the process is finished. So, just be patient. It's going to take a while. It's Windows, and usually it doesn't install for a while, especially in this way. So yeah, give it about 20 to half an hour probably. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now it took a little bit of time, but as you can see at the end of the day, you're presented with the setup screen and, well, probably know how to set up your Windows. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.